Ever wondered how powerful Excel can be in mathematical, scientific, engineering, and other calculations? Excel is not just a tool for creating spreadsheets, but a potent calculator. It can perform simple arithmetic like addition and subtraction and can also solve complex equations. Excel's applications are far-reaching, from business to government to education and even for personal use. Whether you're calculating business expenses, tracking scientific data, or planning your monthly budget, Excel is a valuable tool. Excel isn't just a spreadsheet tool, it's a powerful calculator with limitless possibilities. Excel's power lies in its formulas, but how do we create them? Well, let's dive in. Formulas in Excel start with an equal sign, followed by the elements to be calculated. For example, to add two numbers, we'd write =2 + 2. To edit this formula, simply click on the cell and make your changes in the formula bar. It's as easy as pie. Now, why is understanding this important? Well, creating and editing formulas allow you to manipulate data effectively. You can perform calculations, analyze data, and automate tasks. It's like having a calculator on steroids. To make your journey in Excel a smooth ride, remember this golden rule. Always start your formulas with an equal sign. And when you need to edit, just click on the cell and make your changes in the formula bar. Mastering basic formulas is the first step in harnessing the power of Excel. Let's continue exploring this fascinating world together in our next scene. Understanding the order of operations and how to use references is crucial in Excel. Let's dive right in. The order of operations in Excel follows the common mathematical rule, often remembered as PEMDAS: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. This rule dictates the sequence in which operations are performed in a formula. For instance, multiplication is performed before addition. Now let's talk about references. These are the pointers to the cells in Excel. There are 4 types: absolute, relative, mixed, and 3D. Absolute references keep the cell reference constant, whereas relative references change when the formula is copied to another cell. Mixed references are a combination of both. Meanwhile, 3D references refer to the same cell or range of cells across multiple worksheets. Imagine the possibilities. The complex calculations you can perform just by understanding these rules and references. Correctly using the order of operations and references can significantly enhance your Excel skills. Excel comes packed with auditing tools and a variety of function categories. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of auditing tools. These are designed to help you check, correct, and understand how your formulas work. They're like your own personal troubleshooting team, right there in Excel. Auditing tools include things like the trace precedence, trace dependence, and show formulas features, each playing a unique role in helping you audit your worksheet. Moving on, we have a treasure trove of function categories in Excel. First up, we have statistical and date and amp, time functions. Statistical functions are useful for crunching large sets of data, while date and amp, time functions allow you to manipulate and format dates and times in your worksheet. Next, we have the financial, logical, and lookup and amp reference categories. Financial functions are your go-to for financial calculations like loan payments, depreciation, and interest rates. Logical functions let you make decisions based on certain conditions, and lookup and amp reference functions help you find specific data in your worksheet. We also have text functions that allow you to manipulate text strings in various ways. And last but not least, we have the math and amp trig category for all your mathematical and trigonometric calculations. Knowing your way around Excel's auditing tools and function categories is a surefire way to become an Excel expert. Excel is more than just cells and numbers, isn't it? We've journeyed through the labyrinth of Excel's capabilities, from constructing basic formulas to comprehending the mathematical order of operations. Each step of the way, we've discovered how Excel's tools are designed to assist us in making data more understandable and manageable. Remember how we built and edited basic formulas? It was like learning a new language, wasn't it? Then we delved into the mathematical order of operations, understanding how Excel follows this order to perform calculations. The adventure continued as we explored absolute, mixed, relative, and 3D references, each adding a new layer of complexity and versatility to our formulas. Our journey didn't end there. We ventured into the realm of auditing tools and various function categories, expanding our Excel toolbox even further. From the statistical and date and amp, time functions to the financial, logical, and lookup and amp reference categories, we've seen how Excel's functions can adapt to our unique needs. Master these skills and you'll find Excel to be an indispensable tool in your toolkit.